Hi guys, today we're going to look at the difference between the present perfect simple and the present perfect continuous. Listen to these 5 sentences and decide which one is different. I've been to Hong Kong twice. I've used the internet 3 times today. I've learnt 10 new English words this week. I've been going to yoga classes for 4 years. I've read the first 3 Harry Potter books. The one which is different is the 4th one. I've been going to yoga classes for 4 years. This is an example of the present perfect continuous. The rest of the sentences are examples of the present perfect simple. We use the present perfect simple to talk about how many times we have done something. I've been to Hong Kong twice. I've used the internet 3 times today. We also use it to talk about how much we have completed of something. For example, I've learnt 10 new English words from my list, and I've read the first 3 Harry Potter books. We use words like once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times to talk about how many times we do something. With the present perfect simple, we also use words like this week, this month, this year, and recently, in the last week, in the last month, in the last year, and so far and up to now, which means from a point in the past to the present time. In the negative form, we can use the word yet to talk about something which hasn't happened, but that we expect to happen sometime in the future. Have I read the 4th Harry Potter book? No. Do I want to read the 4th Harry Potter book? Yes. Remember, to form the present perfect simple, we use have or the contraction and haven't plus the past participle. I have been to Hong Kong twice. I haven't read the 4th Harry Potter book yet. Remember, in the 3rd person, we use has or the contraction and hasn't. And to make a question, we invert the subject and have. Have you read the 4th Harry Potter book? We use the present perfect continuous to talk about an action which started in the past, is in process now, and we expect to continue in the future. I started yoga classes in the past, and for 4 years I have been going to these classes. And I will continue to go to classes in the future. The present perfect continuous focuses on the action, not the result. In this example, the focus is on the action of going to yoga classes. To form the present perfect continuous, we use the subject plus have or haven't, has or hasn't, plus the past participle been plus the verb plus ing. I have been going to yoga for 4 years. She hasn't been playing tennis for 5 years. To make a question, we invert have plus the subject, the same as the present perfect simple. Have you been studying recently? With state verbs, such as like, we can use the present perfect simple, I've liked him since I met him, but we can't use the present perfect continuous. I've been liking him since I met him. We can say, we've had our dog for 3 years, but we can't say, we've been having our dog for 3 years. Now it's your turn. Think about something you have done more than once this week, something you have started but you haven't finished, and something that you have been doing this week that you expect to continue doing in the future.